How to remove background noise in Adobe After Effects. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll let you guys know the ways to remove background noise in Adobe After Effects. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you want to go ahead and start by importing your green footage into the Adobe After Effects. So for that, you want to go to Files and then you want to import the browser from the clip. Then you want to drag the noise clip to the new position or composition to start the process. After that, you need to go to the effects in the main menu at the top of the screen. Now you want to scroll down until you see noise and green and choose remove green from the following menu. Then effect will be added to your effect control panel where you can adjust its settings, and that's all. Now you'll find a visual preview box of how your video will look like in a square that appears on your footage, and you could change the preview region size by dragging it. Then the remove green effect will automatically identify noise sample to correct your image, but you could also manually select the sample to target specific green against adjust the number of samples and charges and change the size of the noise sample as well. Now in your effect control panel, select the noise reduction settings tab. Adjust how much reduction you want by changing the value in the noise reduction. Observe the preview region to see how the new settings affect your image. Now bear in the mind the high value will make your footage look blur and look details as well. You need to find the tune to retain sharpness. So your green footage should be much clearer now, but After Effects it gives you even more tools to fine-tune your videos. In the fine-tuning tab, you will find the following settings to bring back some details in your image. So for that, you need to increase the chroma suppression value. That can be helpful. And then the texture control allows you to preserve areas with delicate texture. And likewise, the noise size base targets the effect of small or larger noise as well. The largest setting in a clean solid area will control how much to remove the green effect smoother. So this way you'll be able to do it. So now after which you want to render and export your video, you'll have successfully removed the background noise in Adobe After Effects. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.